Everyone. I'm today going to show you a cool app called Pneumatic Developer, which I'm going to tap on it now. So this is the Pneumatic Developer, and it's used for building pneumatic circuits, electro-pneumatic, and other pneumatic circuits here. So I have this circuit builder here, which I'm going to show you how to use it. It's pretty cool. I've got some circuit already built here, but I'm going to build from scratch. And if you want to build a circuit from scratch, you press the plus sign here to add a new circuit. So I'm going to do that. Now I'm going to name it, and I will say it's pneumatic developer tutorial for um, beginners. Then I'll put my name here. I'll put my name there as the client, and after that I will create it. It takes a few minutes to load. Now that is loaded, I'm going to show you a few things here. So this is the drawing space which you can zoom in and out, and then on the left hand side of the screen you have all the tools there to use. So the spanner and the screwdriver is what you have to click on to start building your circuit. Once I click on this one, below the spanner you have the pressure gauge there. When I click on the pressure gauge, I get all the pneumatic components. So if I click on any component and highlight it, if I click inside the drawing space, it drops there. I can drop more and more, but at the minute I need only one, and so I need just one of it. I will scroll down to get the compressor, and after the compressor I will just pick the FRL, filter lubricator, and then I will pick 5.2 because that is what normally I use to build my circuit if it's double acting cylinder. And then I will go and get flow control, unidirectional flow control. I'll put 2 down here. Okay, so this is all that I need for now, and I'll just click on that, the pressure gauge, to exit from the pneumatic mode, and I'll just click. When you click on a component once, you can drag and drop it anywhere you want, and you can also flip it with your hand. So I've just clicked and I've flipped it, and this is good to go. If you click on it and you want to exit the selection, just click inside the space. Now the light bulb will bring electrical components. I don't need any electrical component. I'm just building pure pneumatic for now. My next video I'll show you how to build the electric component, to use the electric components. The one below the light bulb is the node for connection. So once I click on the node, as the node is selected, I can now do all the connections. Just zooming out to see and do all the connections. So I'll click on that, and I'll click on this. I click on this, and I click on that to connect this, and that to connect this, and that to connect. And then I'll click on that, and I'll zoom out to get number 1, this, and then I'll click on this one and that one. Now I have to add few parts to the directional control valve, the 5-2 directional control valve. So if I select and I will exit the node. So once I exit the node and I select, I can double click and change the add whatever I want to add. So I click on this box to add a push button here. Click on this box to add another push button, and I'll click OK. And then I've got my push buttons there. What I need next is to bring back the node, which I should have done before, and double click the node to add the exhaust to that side. Double click here to add another exhaust to that side. So this is now done and complete. Another cool thing I will show you is that the unidirectional flow control, when you select, let me exit the node. When I select and double click, I can change the flow rate. So I'm just taking it to 5%. I want the cylinder to move slowly so that you can see the movement. So take it to 5%, say okay, and this is now good to go. So once I've got the circuit connected, what I'm going to do is to simulate, and the arrow pointing into the drawing, the white arrow pointing into the drawing, that's the one below the bin. When I click on that, it just drops the running or the simulation icon into it, and when I tap on it, just tap on that and then tap on the simulation, and let's see what's going to happen. So if I click on that, slowly it moves out and slowly it moves in. I click on it again, slowly it moves out and slowly it moves in, and it shows you the force on the piston and the pressure when it's out stroking or in stroking. Thank you so much for watching. Expect the one on the electrohydraulic.